station, White Florence from office, down na lahat.
Question number 14. Faced with the problems of young people today, what do you think is the biggest challenge that Mayan students can overcome? Why?
Tingin ko yung mga project ng mga pinapabigay ng teachers, lalo na kapag mahirap. Kasi, tapos like, minsan, kami rin, syempre may apat silang kukuha. Kasi nga, sa parang maraming projects, nirapan yung gawin na.
Question number 22. You are considered evangelizers of Mother Mary. How will you promote Mary's teachings with one announcement? I will repeat. You are considered evangelizers of Mother Mary. How will you promote Mary's teaching with other students?
As a senior, I should act as a leader, and I should be a good moral. I should show good conduct to lower levels to promote real evangelizers and be a good Marian Paul. And even to the out of this school campus, we can show good conduct and good morals to everyone.
Thank you very much from 4th year St. Paul.
Now let's welcome our fourth candidate from 4th year St. Stephen. Eduardo and Ana Rodriguez.
Hindi pa naka-off.
Ito naka-off na.
Ito hindi pa. Ang lapit nyo.